Focus is a skill that is becoming increasingly important in today's fast-paced world. In this video, we'll discuss effective strategies to help you stay focused, whether you are studying, working, or pursuing any goal in life. Understand the importance of focus. Focus helps you achieve your goals efficiently. Without focus, you might find yourself distracted and unable to accomplish tasks effectively. Though, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This will make it easier to stay focused. Prioritize your tasks. English: focus on the most important tasks first. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to decide which tasks are urgent and which can be postponed. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This will make it easier to stay focused. Prioritize your tasks. Focus on the most important tasks first. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to decide which tasks are urgent and which can be postponed. Minimize distractions. Identify what distracts you the most, like social media, phone notifications, or a noisy environment, and take steps to minimize them. Create a routine. Establish a daily routine that includes dedicated time for focused work. Consistency will train your mind to focus better over time. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, like meditation or deep breathing, can help you stay in the present moment and improve your concentration. Take breaks. Taking short breaks during work can help refresh your mind. The Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, is very effective. Stay organized. Keep your workspace clean and organized. An organized environment helps reduce stress and keeps you focused on your tasks. Stay physically active. Regular exercise improves brain function and helps in maintaining focus. Even a short walk can boost your concentration. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for cognitive functions, including focus and memory. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Staying focused requires practice and dedication, but with the right strategies, you can train your mind to concentrate better and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing these tips.